Hi, I'm Will from Unleashed. In this video, I'm going to explain decoupled inventory. So decoupled inventory is essentially safety stock that we keep for the manufacturing process. So we have cycle inventory and we have safety inventory for our sales process, and let me explain each of those. Our cycle inventory is the inventory that we keep in our warehouse to fulfill customers' orders. So when a customer places an order with us, we'll fulfill that order with our cycle inventory. Now, if we run out of cycle inventory, perhaps a big order comes in, we then dip into our safety inventory. That's our buffer that we keep on hand in case we do run out of our cycle stock. So that's our sales process, but what about our manufacturing process? With our manufacturing process, we want to keep decoupled inventory on hand. So if we have a breakdown in our machines, we don't want that to break down our entire manufacturing process, so we keep decoupled inventory on hand and available in case something like a breakdown happens. We also might keep decoupled inventory in case we have a machine that takes longer to produce some inventory than the other ones. We might have, let's say, A, B, C, and D stations to produce our final good. Let's say A is fast, but B takes a lot longer to produce than A, C, and D. Therefore, we'd probably keep a lot more decoupled inventory at our B manufacturing section than we would in the other ones, so we don't slow down that overall manufacturing process. So that is what decoupled inventory is. It's safety stock that is set aside for the manufacturing process. So I hope that was useful for you. If you'd like to see that in action in Unleashed, click this link to another short video that I've made. If you'd like to learn more about the software itself, click through to our webinar page for an in-depth tour.